Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy English, and today we'll discuss about modals. What are modals? Modals are special verbs which is used with another verb in order to express an idea such as permission, possibility, ability, necessity and obligation. In simple, we can tell modals express the mood of the speaker. Let us have a look at the modals. Can you list it? Yeah. Can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall and should. Let us see the use of modals. The modal can is used to denote ability, permission and request. Here in first sentence, I can run fast, it denotes the ability of a person. At the same time, if you wanted to ask permission or to give permission, you may use can like this one. Can I use your pen? You can use my pen. If it is a request, it is can you pass me the book? Could is used to denote ability in the past, possibility and to denote permission. When she was younger, she could run 10 km. It denotes the ability which she could do in the past. A lot of money could be saved. It's a possibility. Could I use your mobile? This is asking permission. May is used to denote possibility, permission and wish. Say for example, I may come tomorrow. It's a possibility. May I come in? It's a permission which you would have used often. And may God bless you. It's a wish what we get from others. Might is used to denote possibility as well suggestion too. He might have reached there by now. It's a possible case. And you might try a little more salt in the dish next time. It's a giving suggestion. So when you wanted to suggest someone, you can use might. Next modal is must. If it is a necessary one, we are supposed to use must. Say for example, one must sleep for 8 to 10 hours. And if it is an obligation, it is like a duty or commitment, you are supposed to use must. You must keep this promise. As you all know, will is used for requesting. Will you give me your pen? As well, it denotes the future time reference also. Ram will call you tomorrow. In both these cases, you can use will. If you want to request someone, apart from will, you may use would also, like this. Would you please lend me a pencil? Like a request. And like expressing a wish. I wish I would succeed in my life. And you may use would to tell your choice to. Say for example, I would prefer tea to coffee. Shall is used instead of will. But when the subject is first person like I, we, you may use shall. But in modern English nowadays, people started to use will even for I as well we. Say for example, I shall go to school tomorrow and at the same time, I will go to the school tomorrow. Both are acceptable. Should is more appropriate to use in telling their duties. Say for example, you should respect your elders. And as an advice, you may use should like you should work hard to pass the exam. And as a suggestion also, you may use should like we should begin our journey by 9 a.m. I hope you were clear with the usage of modals now. And if you like my video, share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.